I'm going to show you how I made this ice cream cone cake pop that is melting on the cake. By the way, if you haven't done it yet, click on the follow button for more videos like this. I melted some white candy melts by Merkins. By the way, I buy them at Ballborn. And I added some Sweet Apolita pink oil base food coloring. It's very important to add oil food coloring or else it's going to seize your chocolate. I dipped the rim of my cone into my chocolate and then I added some sprinkles by Sweet Apolita. I did that all the way around on the outside and also on the inside. When everything was covered, I let the chocolate set onto a parchment paper. Crumble some cake. I'm using my chocolate cake here and I added some icing. And I created a ball by simply rolling the dough into the palm of my hands until it was completely round. I dipped one end into the candy melt and then I placed it right inside the cone. I pressed it down a little bit and I let it completely set. Once the chocolate has completely set, then I'm going to dip that ball into my candy melt. Place it on top of a parchment paper until the chocolate has completely set and hardened. I wanted the cone to have an angle, so I leaned it onto a bowl, just like this. To give it that melted effect, I placed some candy melts right on top of my cake, and then I placed the ice cream cone on top of it, and it's going to give the illusion that the ice cream is melting. This is the final look. It's super easy to make. It's a cool effect. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.